This dance is called Tonight We Dance. It's a 32 count, full wall, beginner level line dance. Starting on the right foot, rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left. Into a cross shuffle, 1 and 2 count timing steps, crossing the right over the left, step left to the side, cross right over left, cross side cross, it's your cross shuffle. Step the left to the side, kick the right over the left, and as you do so, clap. Step the right to the side, kick the left over the right, and again, as you do so, clap. That set of steps once more then. Side rock cross shuffle off on the right. 7, 8, side rock, cross shuffle, side kick, side kick. Step the left to the side, step the right beside the left. Shuffle forward on the left, 1 and 2 count timing steps, stepping the left forward, right beside left, step the left forward. Into a rocking chair. So you're going to rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left. Forward rock, back rock, important that the moving foot, the foot you're rocking onto, moves from the front, recover, move to the back, recover. That set of steps once more then, side clear shuffle off on the left. 7, 8, side close, left shuffle, rocking chair. Add those two sections together. Side rock off on the right. 7, 8, side rock, cross shuffle, side kick, side kick. Side close, left shuffle, rocking chair. Jazz box, quarter turn with a cross. So you're going to cross the right over the left, step back on that left. Make a quarter turn right, you step that right slightly to the side but a little bit forward, cross the left over the right. That's your jazz box quarter cross. Chassé to the right, 1 and 2 count timing steps, stepping the right to the side, left beside right, step right to the side. Then rock back on the left, and recover your weight on the right. That's it, steps once more then, jazz box quarter cross off on the right. 7, 8, cross, back, turn, cross, right chassé, back, rock. Let's add that to the top. Side rock off on the right. 7, 8, side rock, cross shuffle, side kick, side kick. Side close, left shuffle, rocking chair. Cross, back, turn, cross, right chassé, back, rock. Add on a vine to the left. So you're going to step the left to the side, cross the right behind the left, step the left to the side, brush the right. So remember with this brush step, it's just that gentle contact with the ground with the ball of the foot. Into a jazz box with a cross, no turn this time. So you're going to cross the right over the left, step back on the left, step the right to the side, cross the left over the right. That set of steps once more then. Vining to the left, left foot leads. 7, 8, side, behind, side, brush, cross, back, side, cross. That is the end of the dance. When we get to that point, let's put it all together. Side rock off on the right. 7, 8, side rock, cross shuffle, side kick, side kick. Side close, left shuffle, side, brush, cross, back, side, cross. So that is your dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. And I am going to speed it up a bit as we go around those walls, as the music is just a little bit faster. Side rock off on the right. 7, 8. Side rock, cross shuffle, side kick, side kick. Side close, left shuffle, rocking chair. Cross, back, turn, cross, right chassé, back, rock. Side, behind, side, brush, cross, back, side, cross. Side, rock, cross, shuffle, side, kick, side, kick. Side, close, left shuffle, rocking chair. Cross, back, turn, cross, right chassé, back, rock. Side, behind, side, brush, cross, back, side, cross. Side, rock, cross, shuffle, side, kick, side, kick. Side, close, left shuffle, rocking chair. Cross, back, turn, cross, right chassé, back, rock. Side, behind, side, brush, cross, back, side, cross. So that's your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Side rock, cross shuffle, side kick, side close, left shuffle, rocking chair. Cross, back, turn, cross, right, chassé, back, rock. Side, behind, side, brush, cross, back, side, cross. Side rock, shuffle, side kick, side close, left shuffle, rocking chair. Cross, back, turn, cross, right, chassé, back, rock. Side, behind, side, brush, cross, back, side, cross. Side rock, cross, shuffle, side kick, side close, left shuffle, rocking chair. Cross, back, turn, cross, right, chassé, back, rock. Side, behind, side, brush, cross, back, side, cross, side rock, cross, shuffle, side kick, side close, left shuffle, rocking chair. Cross, back, turn, cross, right, chassé, back, rock. Side, behind, side, brush, cross, back, side, cross, side rock. Side close, jazz, line, side rock, side close, jazz, line, side rock, side close, jazz, bind, side rock, side close, jazz, bind.
Make him leave, darling, I'll hold you close. If you just let him go, don't let his memory cut in on you and me again. Don't let him take the lead when you dance with me. Don't let him take the lead when you dance with me.
Hope you managed that one.